Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Before we get into today's word, here's a reminder that we deliver live workshops throughout the year for students preparing for their 11 Plus exam. These workshops cover comprehension, verbal reasoning, writing, and maths. In the last academic year, we helped over 5,000 students. Give it a try and improve week after week. Just visit the Exam Coach website for more information. That's www.theexamcoach.tv. Today's word is incorporate. It is pronounced in-cor-per-rate. And it is spelt I-N-C-O-R-P-O-R-A-T-E. Think in, then corp, then or, and then ate. Incorporate means to take in or contain something as part of a whole. It means to include. For example, you could say the chef incorporated tomatoes into the sauce. Incorporate comes from the Latin incorporare, meaning to unite into one body, embody, or include. The same as today. Have you ever seen the film Monsters, Inc.? The movie follows best friends and monsters, Sully and Mike, who work at Monsters Incorporated, a company that generates energy through the screams of children. However, everything changes when a human girl enters their world. In this film, the energy company uses the word incorporated to mean a company or organization that is formed into a corporation. This means a company that has been incorporated and acts as one single big body or group of people, or monsters in this case. The word incorporated is then shortened to the abbreviation Inc., giving us the movie title, Monsters, Inc. Incorporate is a verb, and therefore a doing word. For example, you could say, I incorporated drawings into my story. Incorporate is defined in the dictionary as to include something as part of something larger. Incorporate synonyms include absorb, include, subsume, assimilate, integrate, take in, swallow up, engulf, and comprise. Antonyms include disconnect, disperse, divide, exclude, misunderstand, part, separate, and disjoin. See if you can notice anything being incorporated today. It could be mixing the ingredients in a recipe or incorporating different toys into your games at lunchtime. Impress your friends by using your new word today, incorporate. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.